Hi and welcome to Beautiful Within. Today I'll be discussing the top 5 of my favorite face washes for oily skin. Now, people were asking me to do a face wash video for oily combination and dry skin. Well, I have oily skin, so I can talk about the oily skin face washes very well. But unfortunately, as I don't have a combination or a dry skin, neither do I use products for the same, and nor would I be the best judge for telling your product for a face wash for dry skin, let's say, because face wash is not something similar to makeup. I use it every day, and like it becomes an integral part of your skincare regime. So I'll be the best judge for the face washes for oily skin only. So I'll be talking oily skin. First one that I have is my absolute favorite. All my old subscribers, my regular subscribers would know it. It is Tea Tree Cool and Creamy Wash. This is has been my favorite for around past 6-7 months, I guess. And after using this, I have seen visible benefits in my skin when it comes to blemishes, or when it comes to giving my skin a cooling effect. This works the best for it. This is 695 for 100 ml. This has benefits of tea tree, and definitely cools your skin very much, so it's very good for summers. The second one that I have is Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Wash. Now, people would feel that there are too many tea tree products, which are actually there, but for oily skin, tea tree is a product which actually works very well, because it controls your oil. Secondly, it reduces the blemishes that happen because of oily skin, and thirdly, it gives you a very cooling effect, which people with oily skin find it difficult to get, because anyways, there's a layer of oil all the time on our skins whenever we are going out or something of that sort, or we have just come back from outside, which is why tea tree works very well as a morning, as a night cleanser, and also as a cleanser just after work. So the Lotus Herbals Tea Tree Wash, this has tea tree and cinnamon. This is also an anti-acne and oil control face wash. So they say that it helps control pimples and acne. Now, comparing the Body Shop and the Lotus one, I would say Body Shop still has an edge, because the results that it gave me were much more long lasting than the Lotus one. The Lotus one, of course, is a very good option, a cheaper option to a tea tree face wash, but I would say Body Shop still wins there. But this face wash is first of all very economical, and secondly, it has antioxidant properties also because of cinnamon, which is great. So the third one that I have is by Nivea. It is the Nivea Pure Effect Total Face Clean Up. So this you must have seen in my skincare routines, I'm sure. So this is a 5-in-1 formula, which is wash, scrub, pack, oil remover, and a spot reducer. So you can use it as a scrub, a pack, and also as a face wash. This is a very good basic face wash for oily skin, which will remove your impurities, and not too much of oil control, but it will definitely cleanse your face. So for oily skin, we require a lot of cleansing to happen, which it perfectly does. That's why I'm including it here, because many of the face washes, if they are too light, they do not work very well for oily skin, which this definitely works. I use it as a scrub at times, but not too much. I mostly try and use another scrub only. So this is the third one. Fourth one again is a tea tree product from BioCare. I guess actually I have tried most of the tea tree products that are available in the market, at least the face washes. So actually 3 out of 5 are actually tea tree products only. So this is tea tree and bergamot oil. So you saw Body Shop was tea tree. I dropped Body Shop. Body Shop was only tea tree. Lotus is tea tree and cinnamon. This has tea tree and bergamot oil with turmeric. So this purifies and tones. It is a very good, excellent cleanser, let's say, for oily skin, because again this also is very good for oily skin cleansing, like the deep cleansing that you require, and it also has some bit of it will clarify your skin because of the bergamot oil and turmeric extracts. So this is also very good. The price is not written anywhere here, but I will link it down below. And I guess the fifth one is a new addition to my wardrobe through courtesy My Envy box, which was the Gulnar Seaflow face wash. Now they say that it is good for all skin types, but I feel that it is really good, especially for oily skin, because of its cucumber extracts and it's lemon. So it is very good because cucumber has a very good cooling effect on the skin, and also because it has a gel like form, it has a gel like consistency, it works very well for oily skin cleansing. So these were my 5 favorite face washes. Most of them are not very let's say pricey. They are mostly economical, less than 1,000 of course. I guess the most expensive is the Body Shop one only, and the Gulnar one. The rest 3 are very economical. I'll link down the prices below. If you have oily skin, do tell me which are the products that you use, and please do use tea tree. I would strongly recommend you to use tea tree. Combination and dry skin, I'm not the correct person to tell which product would work for you. Though I've tried some products, but I'm actually not a fair judge because I've never encountered dry skin. So because of that. So this was all. This was my review of my 5 favorite face washes. Do tell me which are yours. Until then, bye.